Why don't you go photograph everything that ever passed in time? Indigenous traces, tribal chiefs vanishing hereditary lines. Poets gone wild, on the muse prophets all destroying the Tao. When you see that honking antelope, the secret dance of snakes, the tales of it all. Nature-based beings who will survive apocalyptic days of now. Poets gone wild, on the muse prophets all destroying the Tao. When you see that honking antelope, the secret dance of snakes, the tales of it all, of it all. Run away with me now, run away with me now, my life. We are the cause of a world that's gone wrong. Nature will survive us, human dogs after all. Why don't you go and photograph everything that ever passed in time? Poets gone wild, on the muse prophets all destroying the Tao.